And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your watch history on Twitter. So on Twitter, basically, you can't. There's no option where you can see like your activity status, just like Facebook or YouTube or something. Watch history. So, but there is another way that Twitter offers that we're going to discover right now. So first of all, you're going to open Twitter, and then from Twitter, let me just go back. And then from Twitter, you're going to go onto the top left corner onto your profile icon. Then you're going to scroll down all the way to settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, you're going to click on your account. And then from your account, you're going to click on download an archive of your data. And you're going to click on that. And then after that, you have to put your password. Now, once you're in, you're going, of course, to put your password, and after you put your password, you're going to ask for a verification code. Then you're going to click on Download Archive over here, and usually it's going to take around, 24 hours. But in my case, I did download my data over here, and it took around 24 hours. And now I can actually download my archive because it's ready. So basically, you request to download an archive. Twitter is going to start and get you your archive, okay, and in a maximum of 24 hours, you're going to find your archive ready to download. And once you download it, you're going to see all your watch history on Twitter. So yeah, it was that easy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.